As we head into Christmas Eve 2019 for December the 24th, this is F13's Australia and Oceania channel. The Christmas Storm Chasers on their Facebook page has an interesting article, and on the screen is their look at a system that could deliver in excess of 200 millimeters plus rain over the next couple of days. This is the GFS precipitation model extracted from the Pivotal Weather website, and the area of interest is the yellow through to dark brown. Current temperatures around the capital cities: 21.9, nearly 22 Sydney, nearly 15 in Melbourne, 24.8 Brisbane, 19.4 Perth, 14.7 Adelaide, 12.6 Hobart, 16.7 Canberra, 27.5 in Darwin. Here's a look at the Grafton radar that was captured last night, and here's one from a couple of hours ago. And we are advising people that might be travelling tomorrow to keep a close eye on the Bureau's New South Wales and Queensland warning pages. Now this is precipitation from 7 a.m. through to 2200 hours Christmas night. Information bottom of the screen. Maximum temperatures as we head into Christmas Eve: 26 Sydney, 25 Melbourne, 30 Brisbane, 34 Perth, 34 Adelaide, 21 down there in Hobart, 29 Canberra, and a hot 36 in Darwin. Now we have a look at the instability. Light shower or two forecast for Sydney, mostly sunny in Melbourne, possible storm here in Brisbane. Perth sunny, morning smoke haze, then sunny Adelaide, partly cloudy Hobart, smoke partly cloudy also in Canberra, partly cloudy in Darwin. Now we have a look at the supercell probabilities. And it looks like it's going to be very stormy for the southeast Queensland, other parts of Australia, but significantly the top end of Australia. Northern Territory, Darwin. And finally in this update, a look at the Bureau's total forecast for rain. And look at the Darwin region, quite a bit of area in dark green, and we could see tropical activity forming from tomorrow through to the new year.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, Force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13 Au. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13 Au. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.